Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Alright family, sometime last summer I was toying around with the idea of extending my Big Easy turkey fryer propane hose. I went as far as going to my propane dealer and asking them if they could and would extend the hose. I let them talk me out of it. They told me something about pressure regulation and the whole 9 yards. There were no rules or laws against it. They just didn't think that the propane would reach its source. So I said, you know what? I'm not gonna let them deter me. I went back a couple of days ago and we got it done. All right, family, y'all stand by and we're gonna walk you through it and we're gonna see if this thing works together. All right, family, y'all stand by. We'll be right back. All right, family, first things first, I'd like to apologize. I did not get the process of putting this hose together on film because when I first walked in, this technician was also a little squeamish about putting this hose together, and it wasn't anything to do with safety, or it was mainly because the Big Easy turkey fryer has a 1/4 inch fitting. No one makes a 1/4 inch fitting. Even the propane shop, they have fittings galore, hundreds, possibly thousands. Most propane, I guess modern day, are 3/8 inch, I believe it is. And the Big Easy turkey fryer has a 1/4 inch fitting right here on both ends. Well, on this end that hooks to the Big Easy. So I'm getting ready to walk out of the store and he's like, hold on for a minute. Let's go ahead. I believe we can do something. He said, let's do a little bit of Cajun engineering and let's see if we make this thing work. So all right, family, here's what we did. A portion of my hose, I guess, had touched the Big Easy at some time and was slightly frayed, had a little burn on it. He said, let's cut the hose right there. So we cut the hose about, what's that, 2 feet back? I'm not good with measurements of that nature. But anyway, he cut the hose a couple of feet back, and that is the original hose, the original end. He swedged the larger 3/8 inch end on it. He put a fitting in the middle, and then he swedged another one on a larger hose. And that is the hose that you can buy from Lowe's or wherever. I actually purchased one of those not knowing that these fittings were different sizes. I thought they all were the same. So this is a hose I purchased last year when I actually proposed on the channel to do this modification. That hose has been sitting in my shed for a year. And I'll tell y'all about what we can do with that at the end of this video if this works. So he put me on, I asked for 15 foot of hose, thus the tape measure. And we're somewhere around, I think that's 13, but it's actually somewhere around 15 feet long. He gave me another, since my hose was 2 feet long, he gave us another 13 feet. He did the same thing here. He swedged the end on here, put a fitting in the middle, swedged another end on here to my regulator. So what we're going to do now is, and I haven't done this yet, we're going to do this together real time. We're going to go ahead and hook the end up to the Big Easy turkey fryer. Matter of fact, we can't use that tank. That tank's empty. Hold on. That was just for measurement purposes only. This tank, whoa, is full. All right, fam, that tank. All right, fam, so we're gonna go ahead and hook everything up. If it leaks, then we'll go back and make it happen. right, fam, there you have it. Now, for the moment of truth. All right, I hear gas. Boom. We have ignition. You know what? Let's cut that off. We did not test it to see if it leaked. My bad. And I'll try to keep it real here on the channel, y'all. I did not test it. Y'all stand by. I know somebody was gonna call me out on it. I could have tried to let that slip by, but somebody was gonna call me out. That thing's already warm after a couple of seconds. The sprayer ain't working. Good to go, fam. No leaks. I will check that periodically though to make sure that there's no leaks. Now, let's do this one more time. Oh yeah. Boom, there she is. All right, fam, all the burners seem to be working. I can't show y'all down inside. Now, the next thing we're gonna test, and we'll do that in another video, we're gonna test this, because that thing usually runs about 400 to 450 degrees. We're gonna put the radar gun on it the next time we have a cook. Matter of fact, I'm cooking Mama a steak this afternoon. We may make a video out of that. We're gonna test this thing to see if she's still around 400, 450 degrees, to see if we lost anything due to added length. We went from what, a 3-foot hose to a 15-foot hose, and we've got fire. All right, family, this has been a short, down and dirty video, but as promised, I'm trying to fulfill all my promises from years past. I know we're supposed to do a lot with the hog pen. I am gonna do more with the hog pen, but the hog pen is gonna be more for fall use and spring use, because the summer, with it being 100 degrees out here every day, this is going to be our cook area. All right, family, y'all stand by. We got some real good videos on the way, and with that, we're gonna go ahead and bring this one in for a landing. My friends, my family, y'all have a great day, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.